All right, so if you don't have a ton of experience or background knowledge in order of operations, we can go and review a few problems to kind of either refresh your memory or kind of give you a little bit of a rundown of what this order of operations is. So what I have here is a problem that has multiple operations. And order of operations tells us what order we're supposed to actually solve those problems in. We don't always just go left to right because it'll give us a different answer if we start from left to right, or if we start with one operation or do the division or the exponents or whatever. So to kind of make sure everyone is on the same page in math, they came up with these order of operations to say, all right, if you have a problem with multiple operations, this is the order that you want to do them in. So, and the first thing you need to do is what's in the parentheses. So the P, you do parentheses, exponents, then multiplication and division, and then addition or subtraction. And we kind of talked about that in the last video. So in this case, I'm going to do parentheses first. But the interesting thing about the parentheses is that even inside these parentheses, I have multiplication, I have exponents, and I have addition. So within the parentheses, I need to still do my PEMDAS, my please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, my order of operations. So within the parentheses, I'm gonna do my exponents first. So I know 5 squared is 25. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to write, let me put this in black, 7 plus, put this in parentheses, 6 plus, I'm going to put the 25 in there in green. Okay, so my exponents are done. I have no more exponents in this problem. The next thing I need to do inside my parentheses is do any multiplication. So multiplication here, I have 6 plus 25, which I know is 31. So I'm going to write the rest of my problem here, 7 plus, in parentheses, 31 plus 3. Now, still staying in parentheses, what's next? I don't have any division. I don't have any. I did my multiplication. Check that off. I don't have any division. I have some addition though. So I have 31 plus 3. So 31 plus 3 is going to give me 34. So I have 7 plus the 34. Now there's nothing else in the parentheses here, so I can actually take these out of the parentheses. 7 plus 34. Now I'm done with my parentheses. Are there any other operations that were outside of the parentheses besides addition? No. So all that's left is my 7 plus 34. 7 plus 34 is going to equal 41. So this is how I solved this problem using my order of operations. Let's check one more. All right, so here we have one that's a little bit more involved, but we're still just going to follow our order of operations. So first thing we need to do is parentheses. I only have one pair of parentheses in here, so I'm just going to go and do what's in parentheses. And you might be wondering, well, I thought addition wasn't supposed to come till later, but no matter what is in the parentheses, whether it's subtraction, addition, multiplication, exponents, division, you do what's in the parentheses first, even if it's one of the later things in the order of operations. So 5 plus 2 is in my parentheses, so it's going to be 7, and then everything else will stay the same. I can keep it in parentheses, or I can just get rid of them. I'm going to get rid of them since there's nothing else. If you're down to one number in the parentheses, you don't need to write anything else. Minus 9 times 3 plus 2 to the third power. The second thing I need to do is my exponents. So I have two things that have exponents. It doesn't matter what I do, which one I do first, so I'm just going to go left to right. 7 squared is going to be 49. And 2 cubed, that's not 2 times 3, it's 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, and then 4 times 2 is 8, so that equals 8. I'm going to put 8, and then I can fill in the rest here. So 49 minus 9 times 3 plus 8. All right, so exponents are done, and multiplication is next. Let's see, I have one multiplication right here, so I'm going to do 9 times 3. I'm not going to do my subtraction yet because that's not till later, so don't do 49 minus 9, even though it's first. Even though it's showing up further to the left, I do my multiplication first, even if it's in the middle or at the end. So 9 times 3 is 27, and that gives me 49 minus 27 plus 8. And now I'm going to do my addition and subtraction since I don't have any division. And this time, if it's between addition and subtraction, that's a terrible bracket. This pen is messing up on me. between addition and subtraction, you do whatever comes first between those two. So I have subtraction first. I don't have any multiplication or division or exponents, parentheses left. All that's left is addition and subtraction. Since I have subtraction first when I'm going left to right, I'll go ahead and do that. 49 minus 27. I can go 27, 37, 47. That's 22. I could have done it out to the side if I needed to. 22 plus 8. And then finally, that's my last step, is my addition. 22 plus 8 equals 30. So this problem, once I break it down, gives me 30. Okay. Order of operations is our friend. Order of operations is only going to get even more fun once we start replacing some of these numbers with letters in the future. So give it a shot. Let me know if you would like some help with this.